Hey guys, I'm Vrutha Karmali and today we're here on this beautiful island of Divar.
In the old times, the Bonderam date was always fixed for the 23rd of August. When they reach those particular place or the three spots around, they would have a literal mock fight where all the village people of this village would target the flag with this bullet gun from Malar village to Divar flags and from Divar village to Malar flags.
Times have changed. We're starting at 11 o'clock today with the Patoienchem Fest.
This year we have taken Goinchi grey sky, where we depict that grey sky is not only having gold or diamonds and all. The grey sky is the Nistekar, the fisherman, the Padekar, the Zotkar.
गोंयांत कितें रांदता कितें रांदताली आनी आमी आदीं कितें रांदताली आनी कितें न्हेसताली आनी आतां नीव कुजनेर एप्रन घालून आनी तें आनी आदीं रांदपाक ही मनशां बायलां वेतालीं ह्यो साडयो न्हेसून.
The whole concept is about fishing and everything is based on fish.
थीम आमच्या फ्लोटाचो आमचो थीम मिठा वीण अयणी जीण.
So we are here to witness a colourful, high-spirited festival which is locally known as Bonderam.
The islanders from the wards of Picardo and Malar begin preparations for Bonderam quite early, with rehearsals for various acts in full swing as the event draws closer. To learn about the origins of the festival, let's interact with one of the elders.
So we are here with one of the oldest village residents, Picardo, and he will be telling us about how the festival was in the olden times and how it has evolved over the years.
I think I can recall with my grandfather's story, that was the time when the harvest was very bountiful. So when this bountiful harvest came to the village they felt there was a need to celebrate. So they decided to approach the government, they formed a team, they got involved with the comunidad which was there at that point of time. They gave them some finance, so they decided on the pasoi. Pasoi was the word, it's just a sort of a walk, how we have a walk along the way, a friend's walk and things like that, a pasoi. There was also other additions to this pasoi. They were all dressed in colorful costume, all the villagers. They had three young boys who would dress up like ladies, with completely colored their faces black. Then they had some jokers around the place, and that was made it interesting. There was another aspect of this pasoi, which was the borders. So that was the time they wanted to create a distinctive border between Divar village and Samathias village. When they reached those particular place or the three spots around, they would have a literal mock fight where all the village people of this village would target the flag with this bullet gun from Malar village to Divar flags and from Divar village to Malar flags.
Bonderam is an age-old custom that mimics the traditional mock battles between the different wards in Divar: Naveli, Golti, Malar and Naroa. In the past, the date of Bonderam was fixed on August 23rd, followed by Novidad, the cutting of the first crop the next day after Mass at the church. This year, Bonderam started off with something new called Patoienchem Fest, which provided insight into the local Goan sweet patoi and how it is made. It was followed by Bonderamchem Jevonn at the Sao Matthias Sports Club, where visitors were treated to a taste of Goa's local flavors.
We're here with Marius, popularly known as Festakar, a very important member of the organizing team of this event. So, sir, we'd like to know about Bonderam festival and what it was like getting everything together to organize it.
Historic day today because we are starting with something new. It's a new generation of Bonderam from today.
Okay.
Usually Bonderam used to start at 4 o'clock. People used to come in their own time. Times have changed. We're starting at 11 o'clock today with the Patoienchem Fest. We've trained a brass band. So Alden Menezes is going to be going for a pasoy. We're having a 2-hour walk around the village called a pasoy, where we are going to talk about the homes and heritage and people. And the brass band is from the village. So everything is an investment that's happening from now onward.
Interestingly, a Bonderam version of TED Talks was also held where experts from various fields provided valuable insights. The brass band, which followed the traditional flag march, was a highlight of the event. This pasoy was particularly interesting as it brought attention to various issues and showcased Divar's rich heritage.
We have the first performers here with us. They are from Church Ward. So ma'am, please tell us your name and the concept of your float.
Okay, my name is Patsy Gomes and I'm from the Church Ward and we represent fisher folks. So the whole concept is about fishing and everything is based on fish.
So what is the important message that you're trying to convey through this?
I want to carry on with the tradition, that's what I want to say. Like nowadays, like you know how it is. So just want to carry on with the fishing tradition.
Hello sir, welcome to Gomantak Times. We'd like to know a little bit about yourself, the ward that you belong to and also the float that you all have created and worked on.
Okay, first of all, I am Christopher Menezes from Belsur Ward. आता आम्ही दाखवता मिठाचो आगोर आणि थीम आमच्या फ्लोटाचो आमच्या थीम मिठा वीण अयणी जीण. आय मीन टू से लायफ इज टेस्टलेस विथआउट सॉल्ट. आता आम्ही जाणा मिठा बगर कांयच रांदपाक जायना. आदी शेक मारतालो, मिठाचो शेक मारतालो, दूख जाली गो कोत्ताले, दाडी फोडटा गो कोत्ताले. पूण आतां आमकां कितें जालां, गांवठी मीठ दिसती पडना चडशें, कित्याक आतां पॅकेटां येयल्या, रेडीमेड पॅकेटां. सो वी आर ट्रायंग टू प्रमोट दिस सॉल्ट पॅन्स ऑर द आगोरकार. सो लोकल गांवठी मीठ.
We are here with the ward members of Godar. Ma'am, please tell us your name and also something about the float that you all have created and worked upon together.
म्हजें नांव मेरियन आनी हांव गोडार वाड्याची. हांव आनी एंटनी वी आर आमी रिस्पॉन्सिबल, आमचे इनचार्ज ऑफ दॅट वॉर्ड. आमी हे फाटी थीम घेतल्या गोंयचे कुजनेर. सो गोंयचे कुजनेर म्हणल्यार गोंयान केहे रांदता, कितें रांदतालीं आनी आमी आदीं कितें रांदतालीं आनी कितें न्हेसतालीं आनी आतां न्यू कुजनेर एप्रन घालून आनी तें आनी आदीं रांदपाक ही मनशां बायलां वेतालीं ह्यो साडयो न्हेसून. सो तें आमी केलां म्हणल्यार आनी जेवण केलां आमी कुडल्यांनी, चोरिसां जावं शीत, उकडें शीत, कोडी, तें आमी सगळें घेवन आमी नाचतलीं.
We walked through the area of floats. We happened to get a glimpse of your float as well, and we saw churches, temples built there. So would you like to tell us about the concept that you all are working with here?
Yeah, usually what happened, Bonderam works with the theme of a traditional theme. So this year we have taken Goinchi Greskai, where we depict that Greska is not only having gold or diamonds and all, but what the Greska is the Nisteka, the fisherman, the Padekar, the Zotkar, and we all live in harmony. The Catholics, the Hindus, the Muslims, we celebrate their feast, we do everything equal, and we are trying to depict this as Goinchi Greska, which really means the richness of gold.
This is how the residents of Divar Island celebrate such a beautiful festival, where the entire community comes together to put up such an amazing spectacle. It is very rare to see young and old come together and celebrate a festival like this with as much enthusiasm and fun as possible. So hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to subscribe to Gomantak Times. Please like and share and comment. Thank you.